Hey there, people. Well, I was going to play around with my Horde a bit today, but it's been raining like crazy all day, so... But anyway, we're going to take a little ride, see if we can find some scrap. So let's do that. Right away, barbecue. Just like that. Well, hopefully that's a good sign. Exercise bike. What is that? It's big and white and ugly. Friggin' wood. I feel like just smashing a motherfucker. But we won't do that. The little stuff is adding up. Why not? Well, I was talking to this guy where I just picked up that frame. He's selling that van for, says he'll take $1,500 for it. It runs mint. I know the mechanic that worked on it and everything. $1,500. If only if it was a 4x4, I'd be interested, I think. A buddy of mine told me there's some scrap back here. Let's go have a peek. Yeah, I don't think this is a free-for-all back here. NIM is another one of our scrapping businesses out here. Recycling. A lot of scrap in the bins, but I'm not touching anything. I'm sure some other scrapper will come and grab the crap. Not me. I just wanted to give a little shout out to Big Al the Hunter 001. Rock on, dude. Well, that's it for today. I did score these speakers here. The woofers, everything looks good in them. Like I need two new woofers for two of my speakers, so I don't know. Hopefully they don't get too wet. Screw it. I got some mail from Germany, I believe. Let's go see what's up. I still think it's weird that everything I get seems to be opened. Like look at that, wide open. Okay, let's check this out. We'll see who it's from. Smells nice. So yeah, right on. Like I knew it smelled nice for some reason. Like it's got all these car fresheners. It actually smells good. I usually don't like these, but holy, I can almost get along with these. Shelly already picked one of them out. Anyway, he sent me a pen, Jix, a touch of. The rest got written out. Why not? A couple guitar lighters. They actually work. Imagine that. Check this out. Right on, Nils. You're a good man. You put those to good use, my friend. Awesome. Well, right on, Nils. Appreciate it, man. I guess this Klaus Mayer Gasters. He must be some kind of artist. I didn't read through the brochure yet, but well, anyway, I appreciated it, brother. Well, cheers to you, Nils. Anyway, people, well, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.